Happy holidays from me. What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And as you can tell, we're eating today again. So, Panda Express. Doom. Okay? We are 21 days out from Christmas. Okay? So I decided we'll bring it back to food, you know, because we didn't hear the past 2 days. So I figured we could throw it in a little snack, okay? And I put up a poll yesterday, okay? Unanimous decision this time. Well, it didn't start out unanimous. It was like 2-1 Panda Express, 1 for Arby's. But then I guess they changed their vote and they went from Arby's back to Panda Express. So it was 100% Panda Express, and that's why we're here. Fortune cookie, okay? Now whatever. Fork, napkins, okay? And let's look at this food, this meal. Doom. Bring it closer. Sesame chicken, honey walnut shrimp, and I got orange chicken, okay? Oh, not a piece falling down. Ghetto. Where's that 8? Oh, okay. I will get that up. Alright, so let's go ahead and say a quick prayer over this food. Amen. Alright, so. Okay, a weapon of mass destruction. Alright, let me offer y'all a quick bite of this rice. I got fried rice because I don't get anybody's lo mein. Okay. Doom. Alright, let me hold it like this. That way nothing drops. Get some of this rice. Doom. Okay. Yes, rice. Okay. It's always hot. Always fresh. Alright, let me offer you some honey walnut shrimp. And I love how they put the candied walnuts in there every time. Okay. I think this is the orange. I don't know, so they just mixed it all in here. I'm gonna say, yeah, this is the orange chicken. Wait. I think that was sesame. That was sesame. This is orange chicken. Okay. So how's everybody doing? And have y'all been enjoying the countdown to Christmas? Because I have. More content to come. And more recording to do. This little dance. Ooh. I wonder what ingredients they use, because it's so good. I wonder how many ingredients. Their prices have went up though. $10.50. But I mean, hey. It is what it is. And they put the green beans in here with the orange chicken. Where are the peppers that I usually get? They usually put like peppers in here too. See, They didn't put my regular stuff in there. I have water to drink. Okay. Bottle of water. Okay. I'll put this right here. And like I said, good, simple, and quick. Now, I'm gonna be honest. These past 2 times, Y'all didn't vote for the restaurants I wanted to go to. But that's okay. Because I wanted to go to Arby's. Real bad. Because the mozzarella sticks from there are going to step every time. Every time. And if you haven't had the mozzarella sticks, what are you doing? You go to Arby's, you get the 4 count or the 6 count of the mozzarella sticks. Get the marinara sauce that comes with it, but ask for ranch. And then if you do like a little mix, the marinara ranch, like it's really good. Because I would have got that. And the Greek gyro. No, the turkey. Not the Greek. Because the Greek is the beef. Or whatever meat it is. But the turkey gyro, real bad. Real good. That one had a little rah to it. Okay, a little bite. Let's do a little combo. Got a honey walnut shrimp, orange chicken with the rice. Do y'all know that girl on TikTok that does let's combine these flavors? Let's combine these flavors. Honey walnut shrimp, orange chicken, and shrimp fried rice with egg. Okay? And when I tell you they put a good amount of food on this plate, they put a good amount of food on this plate. Like, for real, you could feed 2 people off 1 plate. Or you could save some for later. And saving some for later, I think for me personally, is better because if you share it, then somebody else is eating the food. But what if you get hungry later when you could have saved the other half? The more you know. Okay. Let's get into another bite. Okay, let's do orange chicken, sesame chicken, and a honey walnut shrimp. Okay, you see that? That's a triple bite. Okay. And that dance break was brought to you by Panda Express and Meals. I'll never eat the fortune cookie. I just crush it and then get the paper. Okay. Okay. Here's the paper. And what does it say? It says, your hopeful nature will be handsomely rewarded. Okay. Alright. Pretty positive. Pretty motivational. Pretty, what's the word I'm looking for? Manifesting. Okay, let's manifest that. Rewards. End of the year. Trying to go out with the bang. Yeah. I really do hope that this year ends well, because it's been a long year. And maybe I might do a video explaining why. But that could be a lot to get into. Get somebody else to do it. But yeah, overall, I'm going to give it like a 8.5 out of 10. I had to deduct some points because they didn't put the green and orange peppers in there. And I like when the green and orange peppers are in there every time. And they brought some of the honey walnuts. But other than that, everything is good. It's hot fresh. Okay. Now let's lift up rice like this. There we go. See, it's already falling down. This last bite. much it. What are y'all eating with me? What's a good snack? You know? Because I'm not going to finish all of this on this one sitting. But when I double back around, I'm going to burn it down. Okay? If you enjoyed this mukbang situation, if you ate with me, tell me what you were eating while I was eating. We had lunch together. Or we had breakfast together, depending on where you're at. We might have had dinner. Okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one.